Hello and welcome. In this quick Unity tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the mouse cursor without writing any code. First, prepare your cursor image. Make sure it's a PNG file with transparency. Unity will use this as your new cursor. After importing the images, make sure to select Cursor as the texture type in the inspector. This tells Unity that the image will be used as a mouse cursor. Go to Edit Project Settings Player. Under the Resolution and Presentation section, you'll find an option called Default Cursor. Drag your cursor image from the assets into this field. Below that, you'll also see Cursor Hotspot. This defines the exact point of the cursor that clicks. Usually, 0 means the top left corner. After that, just hit play, and your custom cursor will appear in the game. This method is perfect for quick setups, and works great in 2D and 3D games. No scripting needed, fast and easy. This feature is an important detail in your games. You can fully customize your cursors to match your game style or theme, whether it's a sword, a magic wand, or a simple pointer. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unity tutorials.